Preparing for your exams can sometimes be really hard, but the truth is that it doesn't have to be. Not at all. At Davetuts Academy, we are going to be preparing students for academic excellence in their STEM subjects. For exams ranging from JAMB UTME to WAEC to NECO and even GCSE, we are going to offer qualitative education to students. Take John for example. He's frustrated because he had put in his time and money, but he still wants to get great results. And so one way or the other, he gets to hear about Davetuts Academy. And going through our resources, he gets to understand the concept of his subjects. He is equipped with tips and tricks to help him in his exams, and then examples of comprehensive solutions to past questions are also available for him. With this, John can go ahead and ace his exams, and after doing that will help him to prepare for the career he had always longed for. Now, the same can happen to you. Subscribe today and let us learn together.